Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Alan. I'm an architect and an illustrator based here in the Philippines. And in today's video, I'm gonna be just unboxing this package that was sent to me by Lightwish. And if you remember in my last video, I unboxed the mysterious box of Paul Rubens, and now we have something from Lightwish. I believe this contains several items, so I'm really excited. And so now let us do the unboxing. Anyway, this video is just gonna be plainly an unboxing video. I'm gonna be reviewing the individual items on a separate video. I know some of you love watching unboxing videos, some of you don't, and that's the reason why I separated the unboxing video. Now, because we have multiple items, and we have lots of bubble wraps here that is to protect the items that we have. I know some of you avoid these materials, but yeah, we cannot always avoid it because we want to, of course, protect the items. Anyway, I can assure you that I do dispose them properly, responsibly, and as much as possible I do recycle them, because I also have a store, and yeah, I reuse them. So, the tape. I believe we have 4 items here. We have 2 watercolors sets. We also have a sketch pad and a swatch pad. So yeah, that's a lot of wrappings. Wow, so here are our items. So the first one here, we have the Artist Grade Watercolors from Lightwish. You know, I am just so itching to open this already, but yeah, we're saving this for a separate video. We're gonna be reviewing this second, the Artist Grade set. This has 24 colors, and in Amazon it's available for $32.99 US, 24 half pans of Artist Grade watercolors from Lightwish. Anyway, I'll be putting all the useful links at the description box. Now let's go to our next item, and here is the solid watercolors, 128 colors from Lightwish. This is, I think, gonna be the biggest watercolor set that I'll be reviewing in this channel. Biggest in terms of number of colors. And as you can see, it's still very sealed. And this 128 color set costs $32.99 US. Same with the 24 colors of the Artist Grade, but this, aside from the 128 colors, it also contains other items such as brushes, I think. Anyway, we are going to be reviewing that also. We are going to be reviewing this set first before the professional grade, and here are the other 2 items. Here is a swatch book. I've been, hoping to have this, to buy this from a local shop, but yeah, it's not Lightwish, but it's similar to this, and the size is this is smaller than an A4, and it's 100% cotton swatch book, so that's good. It's very comparable to my Arches swatches that I use for my reviews. And it is compiled by these rings. I'm so excited to try this. And finally, here is another. Oh wow! It looks like a special sketchbook. Please allow me to open this. This is not yet the official review of this pad, but I would like to look at it closer. Oh wow! I love the color. I love that they selected green for me, because this shade of green, muted green or early green, is my favorite. It's thick. It's, I think, 300 GSM, but I'm not sure if this is cotton paper. It doesn't have any specifications, but Anyway, I have the links attached at the description box, and this set, or I mean this sketch pad, costs $19.99 US, as well as the Swatch book. It's also $19.99 US. And yeah, this is leatherette. You have pockets here. I'm having already good feeling about this, but wait, let me get some of my swatches. Let's see if they can fit here. Because before, my swatches used to have rings or holes for the rings, because I originally did the swatch sheets for my notebook. Yes, it fits here, but my collection grew, so they no longer fit. I needed more, or a bigger book that can hold the sheets. So yes, it is very compatible with this pad, which is a good thing. Yes, this is a great product, I must say, but this is not yet the official review. So those are all the items from Lightwish, and you'll be seeing this reviewed more detailedly and closer in the coming videos. I'll review the 128 color set first, followed by the Artist Grade set. And for the pads, I'm not sure how we are going to be reviewing this, because as you see, I have not actually started yet reviewing pads and papers in this channel. But I'm looking forward to doing, a more structured and a proper review of my papers, because I have a lot of pads and papers lined up for review. I just can't find yet the right or the best structure for the review of the pads, because as you can see, I'm very meticulous with my reviews. But anyway, those are all the items from Lightwish. And if you are interested to getting these items, I'll be putting all the useful links at the description box. But of course, if you would like to see a detailed review, please wait for the review. But if you cannot wait anymore and you're sure about these items, the links are at the description box. So again, to Lightwish, thank you so much for sending these beautiful items for me to review. And also, thank you so much to all my watchers for reaching this far. Again, this has been Alan, thanking you for watching this video. So that's all for this video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.